Here on our Mikron booth we show scalable solutions. We start with manual automated workplace up to fully automated systems. And behind me you see a Stäubli manual workplace. That means we have a robot in combination with a manual workplace. And we have chosen Stäubli for this application because we think with this application we have a ISO 5 clean room environment which we can fulfill, and also the way how it's built with Stäubli, it gives us much possibilities for different business applications. We have many requests from customers to start with a manual workplace, to do some first, let's say, production with tests, inspection, where automated solution is not needed at this stage. With this solution we have the possibility now to enter into a discussion with the customer in a very early phase of a product development. With the Stäubli solution we are now able to offer this type of flexibility to give the customer the first answer solution to their demand.